zodiac signs and their biggest relationship struggle. Welcome back to Be Inspired Every Day, the place where we blend wisdom, self growth, and a touch of astrology to help you understand yourself better and build stronger connections. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an insight. Every zodiac sign has its own way of loving and also its own struggles in relationship. Understanding these struggles is not about blaming the stars, it's about gaining clarity so we can grow and love better. Let's dive into which zodiac sign finds most challenging when it comes to love. Aries. Aries brings fire and passion into relationship, but their struggle is patience. They want love to move fast, and when things slow down, they can feel restless or lose interest. Their challenge is learning to pace themselves and allow love to unfold naturally. Taurus. Taurus is loyal and dependable, but their struggle is stubbornness. Once they have made up their mind, it's hard to change it, even in love. This can make compromise difficult, but when they learn to bend a little, their relationships thrive. Gemini. Geminis are exciting and fun, but their struggle is consistency. They can feel deeply in love one moment, then feel distracted the next. Their challenge is staying emotionally present and showing stability in love. Cancer. Cancers love deeply and wholeheartedly, but their struggle is overprotectiveness. Their sensitivity sometimes make them cling too tightly. Learning to trust their partner's independence is the key to a healthier love life. Leo. Leos are warm and giving, but their struggle is ego. They need love and admiration, but when they don't get it, they can feel unappreciated. Their challenge is remembering that love is about balance, not just recognition. Virgo. Virgos are thoughtful and caring, but their struggle is overcritical. Their sharp eye for detail can make them overly picky about their partner. Their lesson: love grows best with kindness and acceptance, not perfection. Libra. Libras are charming and romantic, but their struggle is indecision. They want harmony, but sometimes can't decide what they really want in love. Their challenge is learning to trust their heart and take a stand. Scorpio. Scorpio love with intensity, but their struggle is trust issues. They fear betrayal, which can make them guarded or overpossessive. Their biggest lesson is learning that vulnerability is not weakness, it is the doorway to deeper love. Sagittarius. Sagittarius is adventurous and free spirited, but their struggle is commitment. They fear being tied down and losing their freedom. The key is realizing that the right partner won't cage them, but will grow along with them. Capricorn. Capricorns are dependable and ambitious, but their struggle is emotional expression. They may get focused on responsibilities that they forget to show love openly. Their challenge is letting down their walls and allowing love to feel warm. Aquarius. Aquarius is forward thinking and unique, but their struggle is emotional distance. They often lead with their minds, not their hearts, which can make partners feel left out emotionally. Their lesson is finding balance between intellect and intimacy. Pisces. Pisces are deeply romantic and empathetic, but their struggle is idealism. They sometimes create a fantasy version of love and feel crushed when reality doesn't match. Their challenge is grounding their love in reality while keeping their dreamy heart alive. So, what's your zodiac sign's biggest relationship struggle? And do you feel it's true for you? Share your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you. And remember, astrology is not about limiting yourself, it's about learning how to grow. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button, share this with someone who loves astrology, and subscribe for more deep dives into the stars and self growth. Until next time, keep shining.
Wow.